Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. In this video, I will tell you about an application that will definitely help you. You guys must have seen your relatives and your friends use their own sticker in WhatsApp. So now you can also use your own sticker in WhatsApp. Yes, you can use your picture as a sticker. You can use your picture and you can write your favorite habits, your favorite dialogue on it, and this will be your like sample. This will be your sample. So what is the name of application? As you can see there, the name of application is Maker. You simply have to go to Play Store and search their Sticker Maker. After that, this app will appears, and it has 4.1 rating and 10 million plus downloads. I think it's a good app. We will also check it reviews: 5 star, 4 star, 5 star. Okay, after this we just have to install this application. So if you guys are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates and more videos. So it's downloading now. As you can see there, it's 71% downloaded. We just have to now open this application. As you can see there, here we go. It is installing now and it is installed. So we just have to tap on open. After opening this application, I will now teach you how can you create your own sticker. As you can see there are some stickers that you can also add on WhatsApp from some famous meme templates. And as you can see, they are just arrived. Animated sticker, cute love. Okay, add. Just tap on add and it will be how would you like to add cute love to WhatsApp? Yes, add. So it cute love has added to your WhatsApp. Let we will also check this, does it really works or not. So after this, there are also Tom and Jerry and BTS reactions. Yes, BTS lover, there is also a BTS reaction sticker. So there is also option for enemy, wishes, LOL, and there is also option. Oh yes, this is also good. I will also add these. Add on WhatsApp. After this, as you can see there, this will be added to my WhatsApp. Okay, it is now added to my WhatsApp. It is very simple and easy. I will also add these. As you can see there, these are now added to my WhatsApp. So after this, I think we will now go for animals. As you can see there are some pets like cat, dog, monkey, animal in action. Okay, Blackie cat, panda kid, office cat, animal reaction. What is this office cat? Oh, it is a office cat, and this is Blackie cat, and this is panda kid. Cats. I love cats, so I will definitely add this sticker on my WhatsApp. So just tap on add. After this, it will add it to your WhatsApp. So now it is time to I teach you how can you add your own sticker on WhatsApp. Yes, yes. Okay, this is already in my WhatsApp. So now I will tell you. Here we go. There is option. There is a sign for plus in center. As you can see there, just tap on this plus. Now it is asking for normal or animated. What type of sticker do you want? Normal or animated? I want animated. Okay, allow. Here are some videos that we can use as sticker, as you can see there. So take a video. I will prefer to take a video. As you can see there. Okay, My microphone is using, that's why it's not working. So I will take a simple normal. After this I just have to add a photo in it, as I will show you. I will add this image. After this, you can also square, I need a square, so I will tap on just square. After this you can use razor, decorate text and border. So how to save this? After this you can also tap here for save, and your sticker will be saved. And how to add this sticker on WhatsApp? Save sticker, save to new sticker, as you can say there. Create a new sticker, save sticker. After this ad will appear, and you must have to just back this, and there is option for add to WhatsApp. You will add to WhatsApp, and this sticker will add to WhatsApp. Now let me show you how does it really works. So guys, we are on WhatsApp. As you can see there is option for sticker. That is the first sticker that I have added on my WhatsApp. And after this there are some cats stickers that I added on my WhatsApp. After this, here are some another stickers, as you can see there. Oh wow, look at this cat. Wow, not bad at all. This is very good, I think. And what is this? Oh, dancing cat. After this you can also use this sticker will show there, appears there. So if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.